Here we go!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Hey!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Hello.
Wow, amazing! Let's go. Okay.
Go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah!
Bye.
Oh yeah!
Wow, amazing!
Here we go!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time!
Okay. Wow!
Yeah! Okay.
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Oh no. Hello. Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you. We're in trouble now. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Questions you want?
Okay.
Help me! Hey!
Here I go!
Oh, good. Why, that's very good. Yes, I like that.
Are you okay?
Wow, amazing!
Bye, have a great time!
Hey!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Oh, hello.
We're in trouble now.
Here I go!
Bye!
Good job. Oh yes.
Okay.
Here we go! I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye-bye. Amazing.
Bye, have a great time!
We're in trouble now.
Wow, amazing!
Here we go!
Hey!
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
to put on a show.
Amazing! Ooh, this is
Okay.
Good job!
Yeah! Hey, hey, hey!
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
愛情美味しく料理してやるぜいっぱいバイバイ We're in trouble now
Oh, wow!
Okay
Good job.
Oh yes
Okay, let's go!
Okay.
Here I
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the jump puppy one. Bye bye.
I'm ready to put on a show.
Okay
Are you all right?
And teenager.
Bye
Bye.
Here I go! I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I
Bye, have a great time.